Gadget Sal.
This is your pal, Gadget Sal. And of course, that's not my real voice, but it is me, your pal Sal. And what we do on this channel is we rate gadgets from 0 to 10, 0 being the worst, 10 being the best, but it's only one test, that's all. So let's get this started. Guys, welcome back to Gadget Sal, and what we have today is 3 different AliExpress toothpaste dispensers, and this is the first one right over here. It is made out of plastic, and it has this hook here. It also has this right over here, which is a suction cup that you suction onto your mirror. There's not that many pieces, so what you're supposed to do to insert the toothpaste tube inside of this is pop this off here, right over there like so, and you're supposed to insert the toothpaste. You're supposed to align this here. You align this section here, insert this in between, right here, if I can get it to work, right inside there. There you go. And then you just pop the cap on that little nub. It's supposed to align with this here. Just pop it on and you're ready to go. This is what it looks like. It's just made out of regular light plastic. This thing here, this little hinge here, it's very thin. It's pretty bendable. It might break pretty fast. You're supposed to twist this side here, which has these small ears. You're supposed to twist them this way. And what that does is it squeezes the toothpaste out this way. See? So once you get it started, it's stuck in there. Pretty good. As you can see over here. So as soon as you start twisting, it'll start squeezing it out. Very small entrance there where I input the end of the toothpaste, which squeezes out all of it. I'm going to put this small little bucket down here, open the toothpaste up, and just squeeze it. So here it is. Just start squeezing it. And it's pretty easy. Of course, you're not going to use this much toothpaste. So I'm just squeezing it out. And you're supposed to squeeze the tube onto the toothbrush. And of course, it's going to work. And just like regular toothpaste, you squeeze it. Okay. And of course, as you go along every day, you squeeze it every morning, every night. The knob has these small ears. And you just squeeze it. You squeeze it out just like that. You see how the knob, just by turning it, it's going inside of the tube itself. And it's squeezing it. Here, I'll get it closer here. How it's getting squeezed inside. And at the same time, you're squeezing out the toothpaste. It's going inside little by little. So that's pretty cool. Close this up. This is what we have left, and it's hanging in there pretty good, and it's all twisted in there, you see? The little suction cup, I didn't do this in the bathroom. Just pretend this is the mirror. And this just sticks on right there. That's what it's going to look like. That's pretty cool. I really like that a lot. It is hanging in there. It's going to stick there, and it is to the side, but you can just readjust it, and you just hang it. So you take it off, you squeeze a little bit of toothpaste on to your toothbrush really quick, and you hang it back on, and you're done. It's very small, very compact. I do think this is too flimsy right over here. The start of the mechanism to start the toothpaste tube into the mechanism part, into the plastic, you do have to start and twist it in order to have it catch on into the tube, this plastic tube. This works really well. It's going to stick onto the mirror pretty good. Is there any toothpaste left inside of the tube? Let's check it out, and we'll check it. No, it's really squeezed out pretty good. I like that. It squeezed almost all of it out. I don't feel that much in here. So I like that. It's pretty good. I'm going to give this a 6.3. Because it is made out of plastic. This is pretty flimsy here. I don't know how long it's going to last. But as soon as this breaks, you're not going to be able to hang it on here. Alright guys, the next toothpaste dispensing gadget is this one right over here. This is what it looks like. I'll pull it out right now. And let's check it out. So this is the way it works. You insert this here. The toothbrush, there's a mechanism inside. That mechanism right over here. There's an entrance right there where you can put the toothbrush. Hopefully it captures it. There you go. Just like that, and it should dispense enough toothpaste to cover the toothbrush. So let's check it out. This is what it looks like there. And you can stick it on. Right here it has like a two-sided sticky tape to stick it onto your mirror. That kind of sucks. When you stick these type of double-sided sticky tapes on your mirror, it's extremely difficult to get these off. You have to use like a razor blade and then some alcohol and get all the residue out of the way. But, I mean, we'll try it right now. We'll see what it's like. and this is a dispenser there, and it has an opening on top. So I guess you're supposed to screw it in. That's what I'm thinking. Right there. And I think you're supposed to screw it in. There we go. Until it gets pretty tight. So there it is. That's what it's going to look like. We'll squeeze the toothpaste all the way to the bottom. So it has pretty good suction. The two-sided sticky tape backing off. Whoa, that's what it's going to look like. Right in the middle there. I hope this sticks on. And that's what it's going to look like. That's pretty cool. It's hanging on there. It's not going to fall. The double-sided sticky tape is really strong. And this is what it looks like with the tube right on it. It's pretty cool. So we're going to insert the toothbrush right in here. Nothing. Okay, I would think by now something would come out. Nothing. Okay, something's coming out. Okay, I hear something. I guess the air is coming out. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Check that out. That's cool. Some toothpaste came out there. And we're going to try it again. Hopefully this focuses. I'm going to zoom in. That way you guys can see. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that's what it's going to look like. That's one squeeze of that thing. One squeeze of this toothpaste dispenser. 3, 2, 1. I kind of made a mess inside and outside. That's not cool. Okay, I'm not liking that. Okay, it works and it doesn't work at the same time. You see? So it'll squeeze it out, but what I don't like about it is that it's going to the side. Well, no, it's basically the middle, but it's a little bit to the side, leaving a bunch of residue on the outside, if you guys can see that. So you're going to have to wipe it every little while. This is only with dispensing it 4 or 5 times. So what I'm going to do is clean it up here a bit, and we're going to dispense it one more time to see what it's going to look like. Okay, I cleaned my toothbrush. For the most part, it's pretty clean. As you can see, squeeze it, and there it is. But still, guys, I mean, I don't think it's clean. As you can see there, it's still kind of dirty. Dispenses the toothpaste. A little string of toothpaste, I guess, is going to stay stuck. This one, it came out perfect. No mess, no nothing. I'm going to do it again. No, this one, it's making a mess, basically, inside again. I mean, if you don't mind cleaning it every little while, meaning once a week, it'll work. It works just fine. It dispenses the toothpaste. It's going to be messy. Really messy after a while. As you can see, that's already with 3 or 4 pumps, and it's extremely messy. If I knew that it would get this dirty, I don't think I would buy it. I would buy something else like the other tube dispenser, like this one. It's a lot cleaner. I'm going to give this one a 3.7. The execution is almost there. It's just very dirty to work with. You're going to have to clean it once a week. I don't think that anybody's going to want to clean it once a week, especially when the toothpaste is all stuck together. You have to take the cover off, clean it with hot water. It's just going to be a real hassle. Right over here from AliExpress, but this one is essentially almost the same thing as the other one. It's a bit taller, but this one has a toothbrush holder right on the side. So this is the toothbrush holder right over here. There we go. So you insert your toothbrush this way, and you close it, and there it is. Perfect. Open it. Take your toothbrush out. You're good. Toothbrush in. Close it. This is really cheap plastic. I'm really not liking the way it's made. And here is the dispenser right over here. It's a bit taller than the other one. These are supposed to go in conjunction together. They don't stick on. They don't slap on. They both have double-sided sticky tape places to stick the tape in. And the toothpaste is going to go right inside. It has a bigger opening and a deeper opening. It comes all the way down to here. Yes, so you just slide it directly off. And that's what the mechanism looks like. And this one, wow, this one's really easy to push in compared to the other one. My toothbrush over it really quick. Yes, a lot more easy to squeeze the toothpaste out of this one. Okay, perfect. In. And this one is a full toothpaste. We'll put the cover back on. Okay, ready. Here we go. Do it again. So it is squeezing a small amount. We're going to do it again. So this is one squeeze. I don't think that's enough. I think it needs more. So for me it would be 2. 2 is perfect for me. Look at the mess inside. I mean, essentially a clean toothbrush. Right over there. Dispense it. That's one squeeze. It's not that bad. I need 2 squeezes. Okay, we're going to try it again. Toothbrush, clean. Mechanism, clean. 1 squeeze. 2 squeezes. So it's still making a mess on the inside. I guess with all of these dispensers, you're going to expect them to get dirty. So I'm going to take that into consideration, but this thing is huge. Right on the back. It goes right on the back there. Comes off. You can stick it on to wherever you want to stick it to. It's not going to go anywhere. So this is what it's going to look like in your bathroom mirror. And we're going to dispense it again. 1, 2. So yeah, it's going to dispense it. It's going to do a good job. It's just going to be a little bit messy. We're going to stick it right on, right next to the toothpaste dispenser. So there it is. This is what it's going to look like. And you just hang your toothbrush. You close it up. And that's it. It's pretty cool because it comes with this. I like this mechanism. It is made out of very cheap plastic. This one too, both of them. Some of the parts are already coming apart, like this one right over here, which I don't like, you see? The silver part. I'm going to give this one a 5.2. It's very flimsy plastic. It's going to, after a while, it is going to break. And it's going to be very difficult to clean this right in here. And this silver thing is just, it's just coming off. Guys, thank you very much for watching. This is your pal Gadget Sal here again. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. And we'll see you next time. Remember, one test, that's all.